Customer Vault installation. Start with the customer, the release package, their operating system and Obsidian version, and the session time. It creates the client record, generates a tailored install briefing and runbook, runs the live install session, and captures everything that happened. You get the customer profile, the briefing and runbook, session notes, a permanent install record, and a scheduled follow-up. Runs per new client, about an hour synchronous with the customer, with every environment detail recorded.